So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suvya Fernandez. I make hair care and makeup videos. So for this video, I'm quickly gonna speak about all of my favorite makeup products that I use on a daily basis. Since the Nykaa sale is going on right now, it's called a Nykaa Pink Love sale. You can check these products out and buy them for yourself. So quickly let's jump into the video. So I have two skincare products that I'm gonna share with you. The first is a face wash. So this is my recent purchase. This is from Dot and Key. It's their Sika Calming Range face wash. It has salicylic acid in it and green tea. The thing that I love about it is that once you use it, you will actually feel like the top layer of your skin has gone. Like it gives you that exfoliation that you require on a daily basis. It's not really strong, but it's not mild also. Okay, you can actually feel a difference. Like I personally, when I used it for the first time, I actually felt a difference because my skin felt so much more clearer and smoother. So I can feel like something has been removed like from the top of my face. So if you're looking for a good face wash in a good budget, you can just check this one out. Okay, then next is sunscreen. So for sunscreen, I have the Aqualogica sunscreen. This is what it looks like. I have two of these. Actually, I use a pink variant also. I love that, so I got these. They are really nice. They don't lead to any white cast or any heaviness, greasiness, nothing of that sort. They are very smooth and buttery, and it just lasts for a long time, and it has good amount of sun protection, that is SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus. So you can just use this and see for yourself, because you do need a sunscreen on a daily basis, right? So if you are looking for one, you can just go for these. Okay, just blindly go for these sunscreens. Then I have two lipstick recommendations. Both are from Mars Cosmetics. One is in the shade I Am Relentless, that is a pink shade, and one is in the shade Girl Power. I love Girl Power personally because it's a nice brown shade that you can use on a daily basis, and it actually suits brown skin tones really well without any sort of lip liner. So if you're looking for a nice nude lipstick, you can go for Girl Power, or else you can go for I Am Relentless. It's a really pretty pink shade. You are gonna love it, and their formula also is really great. It lasts all day. It doesn't transfer or budge even a bit. It doesn't smudge, budge, transfer proof, kiss proof, everything proof. They are really nice. So if you're looking for lipsticks, you can go for these by Mars. There are a lot of other shades as well. Okay, then another lipstick that I have is by NY Bay. It's called Mugs and Hugs. Like when I uploaded a video few months back, a lot of people asked me which shade are you using. So this was the shade. It's a really nice nude shade for everyday wear, but I do need a lip liner because it's kind of lighter. So I have pigmented lips, so I need something to corner them and fill in between with a perfect nude lipstick like this. So if you're looking for a perfect nude lipstick, you can definitely check this one out. Then I have a great mascara. This is by L'Oreal Paris. It's their Lash Paradise mascara. It gives you nice, great, voluminous lashes. It doesn't clump them together or give you a messy look. It nicely separates your lashes and gives you a nice, fuller look, as if you're wearing false lashes. So if you're looking for a good mascara, you can just check this one out. This is my personal favorite. I love the one from Mars as well, but that's a on the cheaper side. This is a bit on the expensive side. This costs you 900 rupees, and that's 200 rupees. So if you have the budget, you can go for this one. Otherwise, you can choose from either of the Mars mascaras, the Fabulash mascara, or else the Double Trouble. Both are perfect. Okay, then I have the foundation by Inside Cosmetics. It's a very nice foundation. It's very lightweight. It's really creamy, and it lasts. Okay, it gives you a good coverage. Also, it's not very heavy on the skin. It gives you a nice skin like finish. I love this. Okay, if you want something for a daily basis, this is the foundation that you should be going for. Definitely. The ones from Maybelline and all, they are good too, but they are a bit heavy on the skin because they are high coverage foundations. But this is nice, dewy coverage, dewy finish. It gives you a good amount of coverage. It's not high coverage, but it's definitely buildable, so you can go for this one. Then I have lip liners again from Mars. I love Mars products. If you're watching this at this point, you need to sponsor me or something, because I promote your products a lot. I love your products. Your products are really great. These lip liners again are very inexpensive, but they work really nicely. Okay, I'm using one. The shade is called Wine Nights. It's a really pretty shade, okay? Like I just put that and I put the nude lipstick in between, and it gives you a perfect like you know, gradient ombre or kind of an effect. I have a lot of these. I have like 5 to 6. The other 3 are like small because I've used and sharpened them, but these are fairly new, so they are like big. So if you're looking for perfect lip liners in an affordable range, go for these lip liners, and my favorite shade is Wine Nights. Then I have last 2 products left. So this is the inside blusher in the shade Dusty Rose. Again, this is very affordable. I love this. It's great for everyday use. Just a little, like you know, on each sides of your cheeks, and you feel like you have got life into you. Like it is so I love it, okay? Like just buy it for yourself. It's very inexpensive. I think it's for like 100 rupees, but it's so good. You're gonna love this. There are a lot of other shades. I have the other shade called Watermelon Popsicle. That's good too, but I like this one better. It suits my skin tone better. So this is really nice, and you get good amount of product, okay? So I have no regrets with this one. And the final product is, it's not even a product, it's half the product, okay? This is the mirror left of the this is the mirror left of the Fit Me Compact. As you can see myself there filming. So I love the Fit Me Compact. It is so great. After I got done with it, after I hit pan and after it finished, I bought the Nykaa one, but I did not like that as much because I felt it's kind of drying. This was like, you know, more moisturizing and smooth and creamy like in texture. So I love this one. I'm gonna buy this again after it just dropped, okay, but it didn't break. So I'm gonna buy this again, like you know, during the sale itself. So these are like my top 10 recommendations. I love these products, cannot live without them. They are like my go-to products. Really great and really inexpensive as well. So make sure you buy them while they still are available, okay? They're gonna go out of stock really soon. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for doing so. If you haven't already, please just subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. That's all again for this video. Have a great day ahead.